Welcome. Today, we journey into the heart of an ancient Persian tradition, the art of gulabgiri, or the distillation of pure rose water. This isn't just a recipe, it's a ritual, a celebration of the damask rose, or Gul Muhammad, a flower cherished in our culture for centuries. The rose water we create today is not the simple infused water you might make at home. This is true heat reserve, a potent and aromatic liquid captured through steam distillation. Join us as we follow every step, from the dew-kissed petals in the field to the final, fragrant drop in the bottle. Our journey begins before the sun is high in the sky. The roses must be harvested at dawn, when their essential oils are at their most concentrated. See how the pickers move gently, selecting only the most vibrant and fragrant blossoms. Each petal is a vessel of perfume. The technique is crucial. A gentle twist at the base of the flower. We want to avoid bruising the petals, which could alter the final scent. Once harvested, the roses are rushed to the distillery. Time is of the essence. The precious oils begins to evaporate the moment they are picked. Here, the first step is to weigh the petals. The ratio of petals to water is carefully guarded secret, passed down through generations. We're using a traditional copper steel, known as a dig. Copper is an excellent conductor of heat and plays a role in perfuming the final product. Before loading, the steel must be impeccably clean. Any residue from a previous distillation could contaminate the delicate rose water. We inspect the petals one last time, removing any leaves or stems. Purity is paramount in the process. Next, we add pure spring water. The water level is critical enough to create steam, but not so much that it boils the petals directly. The lid of the still, called the sarpush, is placed on top. It has a unique conical shape designed to the channel steam. With the steel seal, the fire is lit. The heat must be controlled with expert pressures. A gentle, steady flame is key. As the water heats, it turns to steam. This steam rises, passing through the layers of rose petals. The hot steam acts as a solvent, repairing the oil sacs in the petals and carrying the volatile aromatic compounds with it. Watch as the first drops emerge. This is the moment of truth. The aroma that fills the air is absolutely intoxicating. Thank you for joining us on this fragrant journey. Please like and subscribe for more stories of traditional crafts.